All right, I have Craftsman right here. Craftsman. Let's open this up. Okay, so basically this wrench right here, this was the original wrench for this kit, and I got this kit probably about 15 years now. And the thing is, this is the pass-through type, right? And I don't use this wrench very much, not very often at all. This is the wrench that I normally use. This Craftsman right here, I have this, so it's had 15 years, right? This one I've had for probably 30 years. And I use this the most. I say it works fine. This is the flat profile. This is supposed to be the back when Craftsman did this was Craftsman's Pro, right? There's a flat profile and also fine teeth. Well, pretty fine, anyways. I can't remember what it was. I think I like to say 72, but it might not be. It might be slightly less than that. But anyways, 30 years. I use this the most. I use this, more than any other wrench. More than any other socket wrench I have. This one I hardly ever use at all. But anyways, just last week or so, it crapped out on me. I said, what the hell's going on? Just, the ratcheting part got jammed up and this thing didn't work right. And anyways, somehow this thing popped open or easily. It shouldn't have been that easy to come off. And there it goes. So anyways, and I looked in here and I didn't see any debris. I didn't see any any parts for it. But anyways, this thing is just it's shit now. So I was looking for another wrench, and luckily for me, and for you folk out there watching, Gearwrench makes a pass-through spline that fits, and it's the same as the Craftsman spline. So I basically have this now, and this one I think it's the same teeth pattern. The same. So it might be finer. It might be finer than this one. Let's see. Yeah, it does feel finer. Okay, I think this one is 72, and this one maybe 72. This one is probably 60 teeth, 58 teeth, something like that. I don't know. I mean, I could actually count it if count it through, but I'm not gonna do that. This one's definitely finer. But anyways, and I think this one is pretty much the same as this. If you look at right here on this side, it looks the same too, the way that it's built. So I think it has the same mechanism. These two. Even the handle shape. When you look at the handle shape, it's like the same. See that? So anyways, this piece of shit Craftsman is a made in China Craftsman. You see, it's made in China. It doesn't say U.S. This one, even though it's 30 years long, and that's the reason why it's good, is because it's a U.S. made. All Craftsman that's U.S. made will say USA on it. So this one was, I got this one back when Craftsman was still made in the U.S. But shortly after that, they stopped. They started to phase that out. And anyways, so this one is junk. So I'm just gonna use this as a handle for something like if I need to extend. How sometimes when you do something and you don't have a breaker bar on you, so you just use it like a box wrench to put onto, connect to another wrench to use as a handle to sort of extend the handle. So that's what I think I'm gonna use this one for. Anyways, piece of shit. So anyways, this Gearwrench, I have no idea where it's made. It's not the US for sure. If it's US, it would have said US on it. But whatever the case, I'm just glad that I was able to find a spline that fits in the Craftsman spline, because if I couldn't find that, then the set would be useless. The only thing that would work is the smaller one. So I have this small one still works. So that's good. So the small one still works, and these It's Allen head type. This one doesn't need the spine because it also has both the pass-through and it has the square drive. And obviously you can't use this as a pass-through, right? Because it's because it's not hollow in the middle. But yeah, but the rest of these bigger sockets are here. All these are here, and all these are here. They would have been useless if I wasn't able to find this gear wrench. And this gear wrench, the handle shape's different, so it actually didn't fit in here. I wasn't able to close the lid, so I just took a ball peen hammer and I just kind of smacked this spot right here, and it actually broke the plastic. I was able to push it down and make it fit. So yeah, so that's the made in China, and that's what I think it is. It's made in China Craftsman set. So most likely I'm never gonna willingly buy Craftsman tools ever again. They're not the same anymore like they were like 30 years ago. I'm gonna stick to anything else but Craftsman. I'm gonna buy Tecton. I like Tecton. Tecton's pretty cool. And I like their warranty too. Their warranty is awesome. When you buy Tecton, if something goes wrong with with the tool, all you have to do is take a picture of it, email it to them, and they will send you a new tool. That's it. You don't need a receipt. You don't need nothing. You don't even need to send the tool back. Just send a picture to them that it's something, whatever was wrong with it, that they could see it. They clearly see it. That is it got damaged or broke or whatever. And they will send you a new one. So I'm gonna stick with Tecton. Hell, I'll go even go to Harbor Freight. I'll buy the Harbor Freight Icon. The Icon brand from Harbor Freight. Those are pretty decent, surprisingly. Especially for the price, man. You can't beat that. But anyways, that's a Craftsman tool for you. Modern Craftsman tools. I don't how the new Craftsman tool is. The new Craftsman tool is actually, I think the company that owns Craftsman now is Stanley, I believe. Currently, the most current company that owns Craftsman is Stanley. And all the Stanley Craftsman is all like all the models and stuff, like the handle and stuff. These handles in here, these are no longer sold. This shape and stuff. So the new Stanley, everything's like at least the wrench shape and stuff is all new. I'm not sure about the socket. The socket might still be the same, but the wrench itself, it's all different. Yeah, and I have no idea the quality of it. I'm not even sure if it's made in the U.S. or made in China. But anyways, so that's the current status right now. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.